Welcome to day 15 of our CAPCUT beginner series. Today I will show you how to add automatic subtitles and captions to your videos. This will make your content easier to understand and also boost engagement. So that being said, let's get into the video. Let's go. So open your CAPCUT. Click on new video. Import your project. That is, select the video you want to use and then click on add below. Look down to the bottom menu, tap text, then select auto captions. If you don't want your content language to be in English, you can change it to any language you like by clicking on the spoken language. Follow the tiny arrow. So these are the languages you can choose from. My content is in English, so I have to leave it like that. Next, click on generate or start. Allow the captions to generate. Next, edit your text. Tap on the edit captions below. Check if there is any mistakes on any of the subtitles to fix it. Just check the text boxes. If you find any mistake, tap on it, delete and then rewrite the words. Because at times you will say the computer will hear B. So you are the one to correct the mistakes. Once you are done, click on the check mark. Next is to customize your text style. Click on the style icon below. Then select your text fonts. All these fonts with purple something are paid version. Just select any font of your choice. Then move over to styles. Choose your text style. You may even choose colorful backgrounds to make your text pop. Once you are satisfied, click on the check mark. Adjust your text to any position you want it to be. Let's play the video to know if the text is well positioned. As a content creator, it's very, you see, some words are hidden. You need to adjust it a bit. Tap on the text on the timeline, then drag it up a bit. And that's it. Let's play the video. As a content creator, it's very important to learn the basics of video editing if you want to go far in your content creation journey. Easy peasy, you can then export your video. And that's how you add automatic subtitles in CAPCUT. Try it today, your viewers will thank you. From me for day 16, we learn how to add background music and blend it perfectly with your voice. So don't miss it. Don't forget to like this video, leave your thoughts in the comment section, share it to your friends, and also follow for more. See you on the next one. Bye.